Hold on to your 3D glasses, folks. Remember the awe of watching Avatar in 2009? Get ready for a technological tsunami. Avatar 2 isn't just a sequel, it's a revolution in filmmaking. We're talking crystal clear 4K resolution at a mind-blowing 100 frames per second. This is not your grandma's cinema. This isn't just about sharper visuals, it's about immersion. Higher frame rates mean smoother motion, pulling you deeper into Pandora's vibrant ecosystem. Remember that clunky feeling watching fast-paced action? Gone. Avatar 2 promises an experience so real, you'll want to reach out and touch those bioluminescent plants. But wait, there's more. The film utilizes a 10-bit D-Log-M color mode. Translation, an explosion of colors, capturing the tiniest details in Pandora's lush flora and fauna. Think deeper shadows, brighter highlights, and a spectrum of hues unseen in traditional films. It's like the difference between looking through a window and stepping into another world. This technological leap isn't confined to the big screen. DJI, the leader in drone technology, has upped its game to complement Avatar 2's groundbreaking visuals. Their latest app updates and compatibility enhancements offer exciting possibilities for aerial cinematography and beyond. Buckle up because we're diving deep into the tech that's changing how we experience movies and the world around us. Let's break down the magic, shall we? 4K resolution means 4 times the pixels of your standard HD. More pixels equal sharper images, revealing intricate details you'd miss otherwise. Think the delicate veins on a leaf or the texture of Neytiri's skin. Now, pair that with 100 frames per second. Most films run at 24 FPS, which can look jerky, especially during fast action. 100 FPS delivers buttery smooth motion, making every chase scene and underwater ballet mesmerizingly fluid. Remember those breathtaking aerial shots of Pandora in the first film? Get ready for even more jaw-dropping vistas. Avatar 2 introduces LightCut Sky VFX, a revolutionary software that simplifies complex sky replacement and editing. This means filmmakers can seamlessly integrate live-action footage with CGI elements, creating hyper-realistic environments that will leave you speechless. But Avatar 2 isn't just a visual feast, it's a technical masterpiece. The use of 3D technology has evolved, creating a more comfortable and immersive experience. Remember those clunky glasses? Expect lighter, more stylish options that enhance the 3D effect without sacrificing comfort. Get ready to be transported to Pandora like never before. DJI isn't just sitting on the sidelines during this cinematic revolution. They're right there with Avatar 2, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with drones. Their latest app updates are designed to capture the film's stunning visuals in all their glory. Imagine soaring through the air, capturing breathtaking 4K footage at 100 FPS with your trusty drone. That's the future DJI is building. But it's not just about capturing the action, it's about experiencing it. DJI's updated app features seamless integration with VR headsets, allowing you to see the world through your drone's eyes in real time. Want to explore the Amazon rainforest from your living room? Now you can. The possibilities for exploration and cinematic storytelling are endless. And don't forget about compatibility. DJI is ensuring its latest drones and gimbals are optimized for capturing the full potential of Avatar 2's visual spectacle. This means smoother tracking shots, more stable footage, and the ability to capture those epic sweeping shots that will make you the envy of every amateur filmmaker. Section 4. A universe unlocked real-world applications. While these advancements are designed to elevate your movie-watching experience, their impact extends far beyond the big screen. Imagine scientists using DJI drones with enhanced cameras and software to study remote rainforests, capturing data and visuals never seen before. Think of the impact on conservation efforts and our understanding of the natural world. The applications in filmmaking are endless. Independent filmmakers, once limited by budget constraints, can now access cutting-edge technology to tell their stories with unparalleled visual flair. Documentaries will become more immersive, transporting viewers to the heart of the action. The line between reality and fantasy will blur, opening up new avenues for creative expression. And let's not forget about everyday users. Imagine capturing your travel adventures in stunning 4K at 100 FPS, sharing your experiences with friends and family like never before. DJI's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone, regardless of technical expertise, to capture professional quality footage. The world is your canvas, and the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Section 5. The future is now. A superior viewing experience. Avatar 2 isn't just a film, it's a glimpse into the future of entertainment. It's a future where technology transports us to new worlds, blurring the line between fantasy and reality. It's a future where we're not just passive viewers, but active participants in the stories unfolding before us. This is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more immersive and mind-blowing experiences. Imagine holographic projections bringing your favorite characters to life in your living room. Imagine strapping on a VR headset and stepping onto the surface of Pandora, interacting with the environment and its inhabitants. The future of entertainment is bright, and it's coming at us faster than a banshee diving through the Hallelujah Mountains. Get ready to have your senses dazzled and your expectations redefined. The future of storytelling is here, and it's absolutely breathtaking.
Welcome back to All in Studio.
To see more video, like and subscribe.